Hello, good morning. Good afternoon pala. Hello, anong ginagawa mo? Nagluluto na naman siya. So, ang init na ngayon. So, it's summer. It means season na ng grill. Ha? Oh, wow. It's probably from the all of the because it's been out and then it's raining and you know. So ito yung grill. Bibili kami ng what do you call that? Gas. Propane gas. Because my mom wants to grill fish. And we haven't used it for a year already. Here, I'll open the door for you. Yan. Punta tayo ng ito siya niyan. At ng yan. Nilinis mo na ba yung isda? Hindi pa? Oo, nalinis. Ay, nalinis mo na. Professional. Ayun, tama yung sinabi ko dun sa naglilinis ng isda. You're professional. Sabi niya gano'n na. Totoo naman eh. Mga Pilipino magaling maglinis ng isda. Naghahanda na si Mama. Magluto siya ng shrimp. At kami naman ay bibili ng propane gas sa Home Depot. Ang init. Simula na yata ng summer. Is it summer starting? Wow, my gosh. Sa Lowe's pala kami pupunta para bumili ng ano. Buti na lang hindi gumulong. Ito yung mga ano, grill. It's 300. Parang mas nakakatempt bumili ng bago na lang. Okay. What fridge is this?
Remember that one you like?
Yeah.
They have a sale.
They're going to have a sale? $49. Mga ano na, nakalabas na yung mga pang summer. $6.98. Wow, these are big grills. Oh, I'm tempted. I'm tempted to buy a new one. It's just very nice. We have our grill for how many years? Since we're there? Since we've been in the, no. Magkano ba yun? I think that was 22, right? 21. 22. Right? 22.
Yeah.
3 years, but we never really use it. Oh, this is nice because you can see the inside. But then, you know what?
No, maybe
But then it will break when it's like there's a fire. I almost caught fire. This one I like. I like this one. They have this one. Cleaner. They said don't buy the what do you call that? This one because it might stuck on your throat. There was like a kid was brought to the ED and they did that X-ray and they saw there was like things stuck on her like this. Merong bata na may nag-stuck na parang ano yung panlinis na metal dito sa ED. Yun nakita ko lang sa balita. You know. You steam it, submerge in ice and apply directly to your preheated grill. So I think it's bad. Mahal din yung mga panlinis nila. That one is cool. Look. That one. You put this in the... Do you think we need that for the fish? Right? Oh, maybe I'll buy it. It's better than it's directly to the...
They
No.
also have these.
Oh yeah.
But
This is like this is
reusable.
reusable. $10. It's $10. Ito ano. Well, that's $11. Hehehe. $7. Ito reusable kasi to. Pero foil.
have something that is like you have to like wait and stuff. You know.
That one, clean your grill, cool. But then you need a scrubber too, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. The food.
I think it was citrus. Oh, it's replaceable pads. Like this one.
You have to replace the pads of that.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Good. Ah, that's the one we saw when somebody's cleaning. Remember? Cleaning or like, oh maybe that's a what do you call that?
I guess like to put it on the grill. Maybe?
Yeah, to like what do you call that when you do with
Clean
the
it and then you put that on it. I don't know. I don't know that much
You-
about it.
season it? That's what they call it,
Oh.
not it? The one that we're using for the cast iron, the same. No,
What
I
about
think
spatula?
we have spatula. Let's see, this one. Ganding na to, oh. Para siyang pag ano. This one is cool. Did you see this? But probably it's not gonna clean up something. It's gonna
Yeah,
probably
that's
just,
cool, but-
it's gonna, yung ano, mag-stuck lang doon. Ay, nahirapan na ako mag-English. $84. Sa propane, yun yung amin kanina. So, kukuha, binayaran mo na dun. How much is it? You have the receipt? Ah. So, iti-turn mo yung propane. Iti-turn mo yun. Tapos, kukuha ka ng bago ngayon doon.
Anything else?
No, that's it. What? You haven't had that grilled milkfish with tomato, celery, onion,
Let's try this.
but it's not tilapia.
Oh, yeah.
It's
no, I
milkfish.
think I had tilapia.
Ours is milkfish. She said you grill it with a scale, but you don't
Really?
eat you really don't eat the scale. It protects the
Moisture.
the moisture and also the burnt, the inside. So this is a professional cooker. Like when I told you that guy, she's a professional cleaner. He just laughed. He thought I was kidding. Ito, ayan. Taga tinatahi na. Ano ba tawag dyan sa luto mo? It's clean. Clean. Is that smells like is that a soap?
No, it's citrus.
Oh. Why is it bubbly?
Look out, too.
Oh, my mom is a professional. What do you call that? I didn't know there's a light over there. Where's the switch of that light?
Yeah, I don't think it works.
But where
I think
is it?
was the motion light.
Yeah, but how it will work without a switch?
Because we
There's the flower. What do you call that? Hydrangea? He has evidence. He said he has evidence that he did something, so he would get paid. So open mo muna doon.
Off later.
To what?
Allow me to turn it off.
Turn it off. Okay. And then open that. And then open that. Oh my goodness. And then that one. What is that?
So, I don't really know.
1, 2.
That's the searing station. So, I don't know what your mom wants to put it on, but
Just maybe for a medium. Tapos meron siya ditong temperature gauge. One time, I almost burned our whole deck. I don't know what I did. Gusto mo si Phil? Oh, you wanna put the thing on the top? Yeah, put the thing on the top. Ika. Gusto mo ba yung juice?
or do you want it like that?
Yeah. I will put the bangus like this.
So you like that?
I think it should be like
This?
yeah.
No, put it
Okay. Yeah, close it.
You can smell.
Yeah, I can smell.
So how many minutes?
Depends on you. You have to check it every time. Mo namang tumaas sa 600, masusunog. Ibig sabihin, mainit na mainit parang 600 sa oven.
Nasa 300.
Bigat yan. Oh. Tapos yan, magluluto siya ng, alam niyo na to yung sa may reels ako na ginawa, yung buttered chicken. Ay, mali, buttered shrimp pala. Chicken, banana. Chicken, banana. Ala, nagutom siya. Yung pasta ininit. Nakita nyo, umuusok na siya. Oh my God. Umuusok siya. Buksan natin baka. Ano ba yan?
Okay. I don't know if it's going to be holes in that one or not holes, but...
Ha?
Well, there is little holes. It should be okay.
Yeah, should be okay. Yeah, that's milkfish from Philippines. Filipino recipe milkfish.
Looks like the
Oh my gosh. Kamis yung pag-grill ng isda. Naalala ko pag sa probinsya. Tapos naamoy mo yung isda ng kapitbahay. Nag-grill. Ano? Sorry, ang init. Nagtali na ako ng buhok. Yan. Medyo matagal to. Inano ko lang, inopen ko kasi ayokong masunog. Sabihin ko sa nanay ko, masusunog na. Siya mag-flip. May private chef sa bahay. Tagaluto ng to, nagluluto din ng isda. Mga gutom na yan, mga nakapila. Si Bibi, si Phil kumain na ng pasta. Si Danica kumakain na ng pasta. Anyway, si Danica hindi naman kumakain nito kasi allergic siya eh. Ano?
Nakatamis naman yata.
Ito. Natamis naman?
Kulang sa paminta. Natamis.
Alat. Lagyan mo alat. Parang sunog na. Ayan. Hindi yung labas lang. Pero yung loob, ano pa rin. Yung last time kasi, kaya natatakot akong iwanan. Iniwanan ko siya. So, hindi ko nakalimutan ko kung ano yung niluluto ko. Barbecue ata. Tapos, itong temperature, tumaas ng siguro 600. Ay, nakita ko nagliliyab na dun dito sa likod. Natakot ako. Nasunog, hindi nasunog. Natanggal yung balat. Pero yung ilalim okay. Kasi, anong nangyari? Hindi namin nalagyan ng oil. First time namin mag-ihaw-ihaw ng ganito. Milkfish. Nung binili namin to, sabi wild caught. Meron bang wild caught na milkfish? O lahat sila farmed? Sabi ko nga yan o. Meron pang isa. O, nag-erode siya eh. Laki ng in-erode niya simula nung ano. Ang daming mga ugat, mga puno. Ang ganda sana dito kasi probinsyaan, parang probinsya dahil maraming
mga puno tapos
ha?
dito maganda.
Yung
Yung
tangga
mga
puro
ano
puno.
sanga.
Ah, okay. Ayan, pwede na yan. Kalamansi. Yung malalaki yan, pwede na yan. Ito, pwede na to. Yan. Ang sarap ng kalamansi.
Iro ka lang gantong.
Oo nga eh, tatlong ganto.
Sa Pilipinas.
Sa Pilipinas talaga. Kapaapa siya oh. Minsan alam mo yung kalamansi nagtatago nga nasa ilalim eh. Ang dami no, apat-apat.
Ayos na muna.
Okay. Lagyan ko kaya ng kape sa ilalim. Ito ang bangus na binalatan. Bangus na binalatan na may kamatis. Yan, kasi ano hindi namin nilagyan ng ang tawag na oil.